Welcome to a quick video guide for the Francis L. Dean & Associates DJ and Performer Insurance Program. If at any time you have any further questions, don't be afraid to reach out. Our email and phone number should be at the bottom of the page. My application has already been filled out to make it easy to follow along. This example application will be for a minimal policy, but you can use this guide for almost any policy. In the first section titled Your Information, you should input your first and last name. If you have a business name, then you can use it here, but it's not required. The rest of this page should be self-explanatory. Just fill in the information of who is purchasing the insurance. Moving on to the coverage period section, the policy start date is when you want the policy to begin, and the program rate is how long you want the policy to last. An important note is that every option and desired length of coverage are in consecutive days. In the event name box, you're listing the events that you plan on performing at. This doesn't have to be a perfect list. An important note is that listing your additional insureds happens after this page. In the event location box should be locations of the events that you plan on attending to the best of your ability. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. In the description of performance box, simply list what you're performing. In performer type, find the best category that describes you. If you have any questions about what you might fall under, contact us or select Other. In underwriting information, you should read each question carefully before continuing to the next section. In the additional insured section, we have the option of listing additional insureds for the events you plan on attending. If you don't have the information for all the additional insureds now, or another event comes up, you can simply contact customer support and get the new events quickly appended to your policy for no extra charge. The general aggregate amount is the maximum amount of money the insurer will pay during the length of our policy. To learn more about the details of general aggregate, or to see which premium rate is correct for you, please reach out to an agent. The $2 million general aggregate is a good rule of thumb for smaller, shorter events, and the minimum requirement for some landlords and venues. A larger venue may require a higher general aggregate. Again, please reach out if you require more information. In the optional liability coverages, you have options to modify your policy. And as easy as that, you're done filling out your application. If everything went correctly, you should be able to see your total now. If you're ready to pay, simply hit Proceed to Payment options at the bottom of the page. If you don't want to pay yet but want to save your information, you can hit Save Quote and a link will be sent to the email you enter at the beginning of the application. That email will be valid for 30 days. We hope this guide was helpful. Have a great day.